Hey there, so today I'm going to show you how to add your Calendly link to your Framer website. So first thing you need to do is just open up Calendly, then click on the share button on your meeting, click on add to website, then inline embed, then scroll down and click on continue, and this will give you the HTML code that you can use to add the Calendly link with. So you just need to copy that code by clicking on the copy code button, the blue button at the bottom right corner. And now the code is copied to your clipboard. Now you need to go back to Framer and then click on this plus button right there. And in the search bar, make sure that you type embed. And then you're going to find a Calendly option that you could just drag and drop. But I'm going to show you how to embed any kind of link or third-party link to your website. So just click on embed right there, or you could just drag it and drop it over here. And then in the right side dock, just scroll down till the component part or the embed part, and then choose HTML. Then you need to, in this field, paste the HTML code that you just copied and hit enter. And you have your Calendly link right there. So you could just drag it and drop it over here. And it's right there. Now, it's kind of narrow. So you could try to change the size of it, but it wouldn't really work from the size over here because the size is already embedded in the code. So what you need to do is scroll down, and in the code part, if you want to change the size, just scroll up, and then you're gonna find a min width and a height option. So you can just play around with those until you find something that you're satisfied with. So let me change the width to 900, for example. 900 pixels and hit enter. And as you see, it changes. So I can just like drag this a little bit over here. And you get the gist of it. You could just play around with it until you find a size that you're satisfied with. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.